Wala siyang ginawa, kundi apihin ako. Habang nag-aantay, hinahanap niya ako. At syempre dahil anniversary po namin meron ho kaming special guest.
Napaka.
Ngayon po tanghaling ito, wala ho siyang ginawa, kundi apihin ako. Habang nag-aantay, hinahanap niya ako. Hindi daw niya ako makita kasi sobrang tangkad niya. Pero sobrang galing din niya, mga kaibigan. Sino ba ito? Former Spice Boys, basically. Former congressman, former secretary of Agrarian Reform, former peace negotiator, at former mayor ng isa sa mga developed na mga bayan sa Pangasinan. Wala pong iba, kasama ko natin dating kinatawan ng 1st District of Pangasinan, dating secretary, Ginoong Hernani Nani Braganza. First nominee po ng Action Dapat Party List. Magandang tanghali, Sec Nani. Sec Kong Nani, pipili na lang kami kung ano gagamitin namin doon.
Happy anniversary, Terry, Miss Alex. Nice to meet you. I've known Terry for quite some time. Barkada ho ng anak ko. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong tagapanood. And congratulations sa inyong programa. Ang pangalan po na aming partido, Action Dapat Party List. Ako po yung first nominee. I'm the founding president. Ang chairman po namin, wala pong iba kundi anak po ni Senator Raul Roco, si Roby. Kilala mo nga, sabi mo.
Oo, kilala, kapitbahay ko yun.
Oo nga. At ang third nominee namin si Mr. Edgar Lagman, of the Lagman clan. But there are 7 other nominees actually because ang requirement yung 10 kasi. So we have to comply with the law. We are a newly formed political party. We are not a sectoral party. We are a multi-sectoral political party. At ang bagong-bago po to. Although it took us 8 years of planning. I used to be a peace negotiator. Ang plano namin was to set up a peace advocacy party. Pero nung binuo namin yung platform, nakita namin na to attain peace and comfortable living, to forget war, di ba? Yung kaguluhan, kailangan komprehensibo, inclusive, yung party mo, malawak, yung plataforma.